little ones. Get your saliva there, somebody, jeez. Wipe that up so don't get rabies, right? You wanna come back in? You freaked out now?
Is that Mommy Ashes?
Yeah. They're starving, I guess, if Mommy Ashes is in here.
There's 2 lashes.
I think we did.
The 3 lashes is lighter.
Do you have any rubbing alcohol?
I'll do it later.
Spray it on the floor. Can I let you guys go? You good?
You're like that with Cat Saliva, and I'm like that with